Welcome students, welcome in our e-learning classes of Barton Model School. Student of class 8, today I will solve question number 1 and question number 2 of the chapter comparing quantities. The first sums, I am writing the question now. A man got 10% increases in his salary. A man got 10% increases in his salary. In his salary. If his new salary is rupees 1,54,000, find his new salary. Okay, so one thing it is clear that 1,50,000, 54,000 is the new salary. Okay, and question is find new salary is find its old salary. Actually original, not new salary, original salary or old salary. Okay, the old salary. So after increment his salary become 1,54,000. It means I am taking, let his old salary, or you can use that term original salary, was rupees X. Rupees X is the original. Now increment means 10% increment. Increment is an increment of X, that is 10 by 100 or X by 10. Now total now salary ATQ or previous salary X, increment X by 10, that is the X plus X by 10 is the new salary, old salary plus increment, that is the new salary according to the question, that is 1,54,000. So if I add these two, that is 10x plus 11, that is 10x plus x by 10 equal to 1,54,000. 11x by 10, 1,54,000. So x equal to 1,54,000. 10 by 11, cutting that 1400. So that is 1400. So after multiplying it will be 1,40,000. 1,40,000. Okay, 1,40,000. So his old salary was 1,40,000. Okay. Now moving on the next part. Of the sum, that is question number 2. Question number 2. On Sunday, 8:45 people went to zoo. On Sunday, 8:45 people went to zoo. Monday, went 169 people. What is the decreasement of people in people viewing the zoo on Monday? Okay, first of all, that is question number 2. On Sunday, number of people went to zoo, that is 8:45. Okay, and on Monday, number of people went to zoo 169. Okay, so huge difference between Monday and Sunday, and huge decreasement of number of people viewing zoo. So decreasement, that equal to 845 minus 169. 845 minus, that is 6 676. Okay, 676. So decreasement of people viewing Jew, that is 6. Now decreasement percentage. Now percentage of decreasing, first of all, number of people, that is 845, and decreasement 676, and for multiplying 100, for making it a percentage, that is 100. So 5, 9, 20, 4, so 80%. 80% less people viewing Jew on Monday. Okay, on Sunday it is the percentage of decreasement, means percentage of decreasing on respect to Sunday, Sunday 845 and Monday 169. So how much it decrease? It decreased 160, it decreased 676 with respect to 845. That's why I have written here 845 in the lower portion and 676. That is difference between Sunday and Monday into 100. So 80%. So students, I have solved question number 1 and question number 2 in this video. Next video, I will try to solve question number 3 and 4. If you have any problem regarding this video or any other video, you can ask me in our e-portal, and I hope that will enrich, that your online study will enrich your study, and also this will help you more to gain knowledge. So students, and one thing students, I want to maintain this, that's be regular, e-portal regular. Okay, regularly you do the sums what have been uploaded, or what I will upload in the e-portal, must solve every day. Thank you.